Hi, I'm Harris Lee, and in today's episode of Subpar Cooking, we're going to be making homemade ice cream. These are the ingredients you'll need for today. They'll be in the description below. Shout out to Finley for giving this idea. What's up, Finley?
I get to help.
Alright, this is my assistant, Emery. You've seen him on a few other episodes of Subpar Cooking, but can you hold that bag open for me?
Yeah.
Emery? Alright, let's just put the half and half in. Heavy whipping cream, half cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh, actually 2 teaspoons. Now you're going to want to seal your bag, and then we'll get to the ice mixture. So now you're going to want to squish around your ingredients to make sure that the sugar dissolves before you put it into the ice bath. Give it a nice little squeeze there. Like how you would squeeze a loved one. I would not. Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Put your ice cubes and your salt into another gallon-sized bag. Then put your salt in, seal it up, shake it around a bit. Go ahead and put your ice cream mixture into the ice and salt bag. Seal that up. Just start kind of fiddling around with it.
You want to shake it, right? Yeah, shake it. Yeah, you shake it.
You'll never catch me, crabs. Not when I shift into maximum overdrive. Hi-ya!
Can you see the sweat? Get up on the forehead, cameraman.
Alright, we're in
We're
focus.
starting to get there. I might have to take my shirt off just like Adam Levine.
Do you have a bunch of tattoos under there?
Sometimes I feel I've got to run away.
Now you're gonna want to take it out, and it should feel nice and firm. Ice cream. Just scoop out your ice cream. I mean, let's just do like that much. So what we do here is we take the ice cream just off the top. That's the warmest part. Then we're gonna invert the spoon onto the tip of the tongue. Cover all 9,000 taste buds. Driving up the top note. That cream. Pure vanilla. That's a 10. Thanks for watching.
Random.